That was a little video for the tin grill, guys. It's not because the truck's in good shape. It's a 72 Adventurer, sunburst yellow, two-tone white. But if you ever seen a 72 Adventurer with a factory tack, this truck's pretty beat, as you can see. I got this about 15 years ago. Yeah, it's pretty rough. Been sitting in the trees ever since. But yeah. Ow! Pretty tough. Here's the front. So this is the tin grill, 72. It was a 318 truck. But at some point... Oh, frig. Hold on. Somebody put a big block in it. 400 tool barrel. But it was a 318 truck. So yeah. Just so you guys can see. I got lots of junk. Junk for days. And days and days and more days. Lots of trucks. A couple tin grills here, but you know, there's one there. Most of my tin grills are parts trucks. 78, 74. Another, I don't know if it's EV2 orange or whatever, I don't know. Another dart. Another 72. Half-ton two-wheel drive, 318. Doesn't look that bad, but it's rusted to pieces. White interior. Black. Interest in bicycles? Adventurer. No diff. As you can tell. Factory step side bumper. So yeah, okay. Anyway, over and out.